We think beauty and its environmental impact are inseparable. So we decided to do things a little differently and made something so beautiful it will move people to love our beauty, our planet, and ourselves every single day. We have one goal: to make you more beautiful and give a little love to the planet. Here's how. First, fill it with beautiful ingredients like organic coconut oil and sustainably sourced Mira butter in formulas your hair and skin will love. Go vegan, all vegan, and don't test on animals. Parabens, silicones, dyes, bye-bye. Second, make it smell ethically amazing. Amazing smelling fragrances, each made with an ethically sourced essential oil or absolute. Third, stop wasting. Bottles, make them from 100% recycled plastic and make them 100% recyclable. Fourth, really stop wasting. We think conditioners can take too long to wash out, so we invented fast rinse conditioner technology that saves you from tangles and can help you save some water. Fifth, tread lightly on the planet because we believe footprints belong in the sand, not on the environment. Lastly, don't stop loving. Our story could end here, but it won't, because these small acts of love that bring beauty to you and to the planet feel so good. And we're just getting started.